This video is going to show you how to make a color background for your self-portrait. So if you look at this example, I painted it and then I used some combs to comb through this and make some designs. I have lots of different designs here, so you can use the combs. This one I did the curves and then I did a thinner one through it. Or here's just simple horizontal lines, curves, more curves with lots of color. Or perhaps you want to do a solid color with some stamps. This was stamped with the end of a old glue stick. So lots of ways that you can create pattern on your paper. When you start, you'll need a piece of drawing paper, put your name on the back. You'll need an old brush out of the bucket. And then the paints we're using for this are in containers like this. So in the containers, it's a combination of tempera paint and staflo starch. What that does is it thins out the paint so it's easier to comb through. I did like the look of this yellow that I had, and it kind of looks like yellow and maybe even a little brown. So if you need a custom color, because the yellow here looks like this, if you need a custom color, you can get a tray and mix that in your tray. So maybe I'll even go like this, because I think I want just a little bit of brown to make kind of a gold color. So I'll have my gold and then I'll just have plain yellow. If I'm going to use the same brush, I should get water so that I can clean my brush. So to start, I'm just going to put some of the darker golds here. And if you want more than one color, that's what I would suggest, is just kind of blopping the paint around. The starch helps the paint stay wet longer so that you will be able to comb through it, and it makes it thinner so that when you go to comb through it, you should be able to see it. So I'm gonna wash and dry my brush. You know it's clean when you're drying it if the paper towel looks clean. It still has a little bit of yellow. Okay, so then I'm gonna just fill in with this yellow. If my brush gets real dirty, I should wash it before I dip back into the yellow so that I don't contaminate that container. So I'm just covering my whole paper. My paper is painted, so now I'm going to use combs to make the designs. As you can see, there's 4 different sizes of the combs, and so I'm going to use a medium-sized comb, this one, and you can decide how you want to do that. I'm going to try and do some different swirls. So I'll do this and maybe come in from here. It's best to just comb it once and be done. If you decide you don't like your design, you should probably paint back over it and try it again. Because if I take another comb and comb over it, you could rip the paper or it just kind of looks like mush. So at this stage, you will need to wash the combs. You'll need to wash your brush, return the paint to where you got it. So we'll cap all of this up. And then your painting goes on the drying rack, and it's best to put it on a piece of paper, like on a piece of that waste paper. Otherwise, when it dries, it gets all wavy. Thank you for cleaning up all of your mess before starting the next thing.